I'm going to try to make this a quick video, but here's my Cz75 p01 with Cajun Gunworks Pro Package kit, stainless steel flat trigger, and stainless steel race hammer. Grip screws are also stainless steel. I think I got those from CZ Customs. That guide rod's from Cajun Gunworks, also stainless steel. I don't like when metal frame pistols come with polymer guide rods. I see it as a reliability issue. I haven't had any issues with it personally, but I'm not waiting for one to happen. I'm running a 1911 base plate from Trijicon with the front sight post also. I ordered that one separately with the SRO. And I just got it back from the gunsmith from being milled and Cerakoted. They did polish up my mag release. I did the rest. And I also did the barrel. But you guys aren't getting my serial number. And yeah, this thing's a badass build. Getting used to it again. I have about 1,700 rounds through it now. But since I've gotten it milled and Cerakoted, I just got this pistol back. I have about 450 rounds with it being how it is. I mean, hey, but this pistol, just stock, is a great pistol. I do recommend getting a P01.